Hello everybody, welcome back to another episode of Gad Talks. Today I will be reviewing the Ovevo Q62 Premium Wireless Earbuds with the charge case. So, I've taken these out just in advance, but when you do receive these earbuds, it actually comes in the form of something like this. I have already unboxed this set for time's sake, but when you actually unbox it and when you get to carry it around, it's actually gonna be something like this. So it's actually really cool because it's very compact, and unlike other charge cases, this one's just a turn and take out your earbuds. So it's very compact. This is going to fit in your pockets perfectly. Also, this charge case itself, if you actually just charge this ahead of time, you can actually use this charge case to not only charge your headphones, but anything else that's compatible to connect with, your USB cable. So, this is how it looks like when you first unbox this headset. And before we begin, even more, if you guys have not already, please subscribe to my channel, and I will be sure to be back with you with more gadgets, electronics, and even the coolest watches, as you have seen in my video, in my channel. And if you guys do proceed to purchase this this headset, you can use my affiliate links below, and it will take you to trusted sources such as eBay or Amazon, and I will earn a commission at no extra cost to you. Alright, thank you, and let's begin. So, this is how it looks like when you actually get your earbuds. I'm going to go through the pairing process. So, the pairing process is very simple. If you long press both of these earbuds when they're off for 5 seconds, it's going to open up themselves to be paired with your mobile device or your iPad or your computer, and you would know that by seeing red and blue light flashing alternatively on both of these earbuds. Okay, so once you pair these, it's going to be called Q62 on your Bluetooth menu. Once you pair these, you will be able to just use them right away, and I have used these momentarily earlier before this review, and I do like the sound on these. One thing I do like about these earbuds is that it fits really well, and it, depending on the earpieces that you have on for these earbuds, because the size could differ for a variety of people, you will be able to find that these will fit on very well and comfortably. I do recommend these for, casual workout, nothing too sweaty, because I don't think these are meant to be really sweat-proof. But if you have them on casually, such as, just taking a walk or being indoors, these work really well, and I do recommend them. The sound on these are fine. And if once you have these on very snugly, you will be able to, cancel out quite a bit of noise on its own. I'm not too much of a music connoisseur or an earbuds connoisseur, but these work well for me. And for the price that they are offered, which are about from $40 to $60, depending on the website and supplier that you get it from. These work well for me. So I do not really go for the really expensive ones, just because I'm not a headset connoisseur, but these would do the trick if I just use them casually indoors or even just casually outdoors, but nothing too strenuous. I would not recommend taking these for a treadmill run where you get pretty sweaty. So this concludes my short review of the Ovevo Q62s. And just to put them back and wind them back up, they'll be ready to go again. So I do recommend these. as I have tried several headsets on its price range, and this is definitely up there. So if you guys do want to proceed to purchase these after this video, you can use my affiliate link in my video description, and it will take you to eBay or Amazon, and I will earn a commission at no extra cost to you. And please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will be back with you with more content just like this.